I don't know if you're having a hard time getting eggs, but I'm gonna tell you one thing. My wife has figured it out. Listen, we dropped down to 3 eggs probably last week. We've been pumping them back up. And what we did, I'm gonna tell you in this video what we did. Well, first off, we started feeding them more and giving them scratch, something to heat up their bodies, right? That's one thing that we did. Another thing we did is we wrapped their coop in plastic. Their chicken run? Yeah. That thing is wrapped in plastic. We wrapped it all the way up. So not only are we helping them conceal and hold heat, right? We added heat lamps. We gave them food to help warm them up. And we're not having to deal with the water freezing. A couple nights ago, it got down to 36 degrees. Right now, we're not having to deal with that. It's starting to warm back up. But the nights and the mornings have still been fairly cold. So keeping those heat lamps on, I think, are crucial. Not only is the feed and not only is wrapping the coop. So think about giving your chickens more scratch. Think about wrapping up their coop. And think about providing them more heat because they'll most definitely need it. As you can see, the heat lamps are crucial. Crucial pack. Crucial part. You'll see how many eggs we get out of here in just a second. And I'm telling you, it helped tremendously. It most definitely did. I'm gonna try to get up in here with her. It's a little tight though. She working it out.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 eggs. That is an improvement, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, yesterday we got 20.
Ooh.
We had 20 eggs, and I was like, ooh, and the day before that we got 30. So I think that's a pretty good improvement. But this is the same thing we do every year. We've been doing this for the past, 4 years? So, hey, I think that's an improvement. It just lets you know that our method works.
You heard that. Our method works. So at least it works for us. If you don't mind, try it. Tell us how it works for you. Again, scratch, wrapping them up, and adding some sort of warmth into them. Make sure you don't burn down their coops either. Not jinxing y'all, so knock on some wood. You know what? Knock on some wood. All right, y'all? All right, so until next time.